Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the hands-free mode on your Instagram stories. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a really useful feature for Instagram users when they're posting a story. Instead of holding onto the shutter button on the Instagram story, the person can use this feature to record without holding on to the shutter button. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign at the top right. Then tap on Story at the bottom. Now on screen, you'll notice some tools on the left hand side. Tap on the down arrows to reveal more tools. Now from the list, select Handsfree. Now compose your shot, and when you're ready, tap on the shutter button once. The camera should start to record, and it'll record until you press the shutter button again or until it reaches a minute, then it'll stop itself. This is a great feature if you're doing product tutorials, product demo, showcase your dance or your yoga poses. And there you go, that is how to use the hands-free mode on your Instagram stories. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.